Today we're gonna do a rainbow eye, I think. Yeah. So if you're interested and would like to learn how to do it, keep watching. First, I'm gonna start off with the P. Louise base. It's just white. It's really good for bright colors. Makes them really pop. Just gonna blend that in. Next, I'm gonna start with the Violet Voss Bright Vibes palette. And I'm gonna go in with this pink shade here called Boombox. That pink shade, you wanna take that and start here. You don't want to go all the way up to the eyebrow, but you do want to take it pretty far at the top towards the brow on an angle and just blend that. Once that's done, next I'm gonna take the yellow in this palette called Neon, and we're just gonna place that right beside the pink. And just blend the two together. Going in the same direction. I'm just using the same brush. It's just easier to control where the shadows are going with this brush. I'm just wiping it off between colors. So I have it like that. I'm gonna go back into the pink and just go over where the yellow meets the pink to blend it in. When that's all done and blended together, the next color I'm gonna go in is with a green. This is in the shade Aerobics, and we're just gonna place that right beside the yellow. The same way we did with the pink. Next, we're gonna go in with the blue. I want a darker blue here. This one is Jellies. And just on the outer corner up. Kind of like you're making a wing. I'm gonna go back into that green shade. And I'm just gonna blend it into the blue more. Like that. And just kind of go back and forth with those two colors until you get the pigment and blend that you I'm gonna take a smaller brush, like one of those eyeliner brushes, and I'm gonna go into that blue and just sharpen it, the tip. take the same brush after wiping it off and go into that green and do the same. Next, we're gonna take a lighter blue, so one like this. I'm using acid wash, and we are just gonna take that blue and go around the darker blue and have it coming up from the green. So it looks like the green is turning into a blue, if that makes any sense. That dark blue and touch that up. Next, I'm going to go in with a concealer. I'm using the Pretty Vulgar concealer, and I'm just going to go and hit any redness I have or breakouts that I want to cover. And then go over that with a beauty blender. When that's done, I'm going to go in with my foundation, and I am using the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Foundation in shade 7.5 neutral, and I'm just gonna put that, dot it all over my face. Yeah, and just go over it. Once you have your foundation on, you can go in with a lighter concealer. I don't have a light concealer, so I'm going to be using the NYX Born to Glow foundation under my eyes to brighten it up. I don't really have a lot of darkness to cover, so it works fine for me. Just gonna put that in spots that I would like to lighten. Just go over and blend. Once your concealer's down, you can set it with some powder. I'm using the Huda Beauty baking powder. Just placing that right where I put the concealer under my eyes and on my nose. Just with a little eyeshadow brush. I'll go back in with the beauty blender on my nose. gonna go back into that eyeshadow palette and back into that light blue shade. Actually, I lied. The dark blue shade. And we're gonna take that and push it like tapping motion right against your waterline. Don't swipe or you may get color on your foundation that you just did. So tap it ever so lightly. Like that. Next, I'm gonna go in with the light blue shade. And we are gonna smoke that under eye out. We're gonna attach it. Just like that. I'm gonna go back in with that blue shade and just go over it again to make sure it shows up. Like that. Next, I'm gonna take an eyeliner. I'm using the Hank and Henry, like I always do. And we're just gonna Next, I'm going to take a pencil eyeliner. I'm using the Hollywood and Vine Velvety Touch Smooth Kohl eyeliner. And I'm just going to do the inner half. If you have a dark blue eyeliner, that would work too. Just like that. Next, we're gonna go and put lashes on. All right, once those lashes are on, I'm not gonna lie, I don't really like the waterline eyeliner is, so I'm just gonna go ahead and go over the entire waterline. Like that. It's so much better. Alright, next I'm gonna go in with my Huda Beauty Tan Tour Contour and Bronzer Cream in the shade Fair. And I'm just gonna lightly contour. And bring that up to the forehead. it under your chin. Blend it down your neck. Next, I'm gonna go in with blush. I'm gonna use the Show Me Your Cheeks blush by Elizabeth Mott in Peach Pink. I'm just gonna put that on the apples and drag it up. Also on the tip of my nose, sometimes, and even on my forehead. Next, I'm gonna go in with the Jaclyn Hill highlighter in the shade Extra, my favorite highlighter. Just gonna highlight here and blend into that blush. Bring it up above the brow if you want. I like being really glowy, so there's never enough highlight. Here we go, look at that. I'm gonna also go back in with that Jaclyn Hill highlight. Just with any kind of little brush. I'm just using a little angled lip brush. And I'm just gonna do the inner corner. Look at that. Maybe a little bit up here to highlight. Next, I'm gonna go back into the eyes and do the bottom lashes with mascara. I'm gonna use the Petite and Pretty Fully Feathered Volumized Mascara. It's my favorite. I'm just gonna do the bottom lashes. Next, we're gonna do lips. I'm gonna use the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick in the shade Lovesick. And I think that's it. That completes the makeup look. If you enjoyed this and would like to see more videos like this, subscribe down below. Leave a comment about what other looks you would like me to do or try to do. I'm gonna be having a first impressions video coming up soon. Yeah. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.